Hi everybody, let's take a look at this section about ratios and rates. So if we recall, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities that can be written something like this. If I have one cat and two dogs, remember that the order matters, so I can't say that this is dogs to cats when this is cats to dogs. So we have to remember that the order matters on that section. On the next problem, what we want to look at is a rate. And a rate is a ratio that has two different quantities, something like 70 miles in 1 hour. So this becomes miles per hour. On the particular problem we have, it would be something similar to this. If John wants to run 5 miles per week, and he plans to do that for 8 weeks, how many miles would he run? Well, we would look at, here's a week with 5 miles in it, here's a week with 5 miles in it, and so on, and we could continue having these 5-mile weeks until we have 8 weeks. Now your option would be to add all those weeks together and to see how long that is, or it might be faster just to multiply that one. So on the problem that we looked at today about Brittany reading books, think of this as a possible way to solve it. Let's look at the next problem. On the third problem in this set, it's about Mallory buying cereal, and what we're looking for here is called a unit rate. And on a unit rate, we need one of the numbers in the rate to be a 1. So Mallory has the choices of a 10-ounce box and a 13-ounce box of cereal, and she needs to get those dollar figures down a little bit. So the 10-ounce box is $2.79 and the 13-ounce box costs $3.99. Which one's a better buy? The only way to do that is to find out how we can convert either one of these, either the 10 ounces here or the 13 ounces, to a 1. So you'll need to do some sort of division problem to solve that. Remember, if you want to convert a 10 into a 1, you're going to divide by 10, and if you want to convert 13 into a 1, you'll need to divide by 13. Hopefully that will help you on this problem. Let's look at the last problem in the set. This last problem is talking about Franny taking a road trip to her grandmother's house. Hopefully it's over the river and through the woods. Now if we think about this, she went at 60 miles per hour and she traveled like that for 2 hours. How far would she go in 2 hours, going 60 miles in each hour? And on the second part of the problem, she slowed down and drove 50 miles per hour, also again for 2 hours. Well, how far could she go during that time? Then we would take these two amounts together and add those up to come up with her total miles. Hopefully that helps you on this section.